Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are tonight? Wow. Well, yeah, you guessed it. Thunderstorms. Man, we are under a tornado warning and all that. Wow. I'm glad I live in a house. Well, it doesn't matter anyway, I don't think. Wow, did y'all see that lightning flash? They had a tornado earlier in Oberlin, which is about 15 miles, wait a minute, 25 miles northwest of me. Man, as soon as the lightning flashes, y'all better see that wind carrying the rain. Wow. Sunny beaches. Oh, Missy's fussing at me. Well, if I get shocked by lightning in the doorway, I'll get shocked inside the house. I got my Jeep covered up, my windshield. It's a Jeep Liberty, but anyway, I got it covered up with a big thick blanket, and I've got some buckets of water on top of the blankets holding it, so if it hails, it won't break my windshield. Yeah, we don't need no broken windshields around here, because they got hail all up in Louisiana. North Louisiana, Shreveport, down to Natchitoches, all that. Man, I feel for them car dealerships up there. Wow. Man, that wind just blowing me out here. It's gusting. Like 70-mile-an-hour winds all over our area. Man, I'm not no Jim Cantori or nothing like that. Look at that. Cool, y'all heard that? Man. Uh-oh, the lights went off. Oh, they came back on. Electricity went out, came back on. Anyway, yeah, I got my Jeep covered up just in case. We had an early warning system come up and said that it was going to be hail and all that stuff, you know. Wow, yeah, the electricity just popped off. Good thing we got Clico over here. That's one good thing I got to say about him. We're right near a plant. Wow. God did dawn. God did dawn. Look at there. Look at there. That's my neighbor's house over there. That's Doobie's house. Doobie V Dream. Michael V Dream. His nickname Doobie. I don't know why they call him that. Anyway, I'm going to try to keep y'all going here. It's 3 minutes. Wow! I wish I could have caught that one on there. And Missy's fussing at me over here. Man, we in for some bad weather. Shy, bon Dieu. We didn't need no more rain. Whoa, there was one right there. There was one. Let's see if we can get another one. I don't want to go outside. I'm just standing outside my doorway, but whoa, that was one. I don't want to go outside, but like I said, I'm just in my doorway underneath the eave. Let's see if we can get another shot of lightning somewhere. Well, the front of the screen's gonna get wet a little bit, but not the camera lens itself. I don't know. I think it might have just passed a little bit. Maybe not. Let's see. We're at 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So, let's see if I can go out here and whoa. I think I got a pretty good lightning shot right there. I'm outside here. Missy's fussing at me. Kill. See if I can get that lightning shot. Whoa, okay. I'm getting my butt in the house. I'm getting my butt in the house. And I don't think we over the worst of it yet. I don't think we over the worst of it. Mammon, look at God did dawn. Look at that one. Mrs. Saying, you all excited about that? Yeah, well, I'm making a video. You know, this is live weather in action. You know, like I said, I'm not Jim Cantori, but I'm trying to get some weather action over here. Look at there. Boom. You never know. This might go viral one day on Channel 10 or Channel 3. Man. That's looking to the west over there. Well, you can't see nothing because of my big old ligustrum tree. And the ligustrum used to be a bush, but mine's a tree. A huge tree. Ligustrums don't usually get that big. Mine's about 10 inches across, if not 12 inches across. If y'all know what a ligustrum is. I got a tree trunk on that thing 12 inches across. Look, I'm gonna play this out until the video ends. I run out of memory or something. I need to find out how much memory I got on this thing anyway. Man. See if I can narrate this a little bit more. Yeah, there's some more lightning. Seems like it's calming down a little bit. There was a huge line from like Natchitoches and all that coming down this way, down way south of Lake Charles, heading this way at like 40 miles an hour. Man, it looks like daylight out here with that going on. Cool. That wasn't too bright. But watch lightning almost hit me, and I'm going to say that wasn't too bright neither. That's looking straight north right there. Then I'm going this way, and that's almost straight east. Alright, we 8 minutes in here, a little over. Yeah. Cool. One more time. Another lightning. There it was. Man. Looks like it might be past us a little bit. You know what? It pays to be safe than sorry on covering your windshields on your vehicles. It does. It does. I got mine covered, like I said, with a heavy, with a heavy quilt, some 5-gallon buckets of water on top of the roof, another 5-gallon bucket on the hood to hold the blanket down. If it would have held, it'd have protected my windshield. I don't care if it gets wet. Oh, there's some more lightning. And some tornado. Alright. Tornado. Cool. Alright, well look. This is 9 minutes and going on 30 seconds. So, I guess I'm going to let y'all go on this one and download it. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna let this one go. If it gets any worse, I'll start making another one. Alright, Boudreaux and Eunice. Catch y'all. Plutot.